Now, before we continue this morning, I just want to once again encourage everyone and emphasize, especially to the importance of the project that we are eagerly looking forward to. So hapit na, and this has really been a dream for us and a desire from the Lord that began last year, no? And this plan has already been for most couple of years already, and we had realized this through the dedication, hard work of our brethren here in church. We have been able to realize this last year, and through our ministry partners, with Brother Noel and Ma'am Jen, their family, this commitment has brought us to this point and to the new journey of our church. So this has been the desire and the dream that has now God allowed us to finally realize. Amen? So it's a beginning of a more journey forward towards God's plan in the future. So a new journey for Result Church for the future ahead of us. So as I have said last Sunday, it has already been a privilege and a gratitude to the Lord, no? Pasalamat sa Ginoo that we have this amazing opportunity, but it is not alone to bear. So it is not just theirs alone to bear, as we have already shared about and for the last couple of years, that we too have a part on this journey. So this had been a long-held desire and dream for us. By God's grace, we are finally coming to see it to life as we come forward in the future. So last Sunday, I mentioned that incredible opportunity na, no? But we have part of this journey. And so, we shared on how we can all take part on this, in this incredible opportunity and milestone, where we as God's people can stand united in fulfilling His plans and desires for the church. So that's what we showed last Sunday. If you were here last Sunday, you were able to see what we want to do, where we want to take part as a church, no? Sa opportunity nga gihatag sa Ginoo sa atua, and for this milestone that the Lord has led us. So that's why last Sunday we showed you. Can we show the PowerPoint? The project brochure igsoon, where we can be able to take part on this project. So we will be distributing this details after the service. I do believe that hopefully our ushering ministry can be able to already print some of our project brochure igsoon. And for more information, that you would be able to contact for us igsoon as the provided nato igsoon for this project. So this is somehow what we have decided to help in this building project igsoon as we invest in the future. So it's a little big a investment igsoon for the future. And we have already, as I've said, been grateful for the opportunity and the sacrifices of our brethren, but we also need to be part of this journey. So with that in mind, if you have the heart and the desire to help in any way you can. So we're not forcing as a church. Sa dugay pang panahon igsoon, sa dugay na natong uban, we have always emphasized that we have never forced anyone. But if you do believe that you belong to Result Church, and it is your heart and desire to help in any way you can, no matter how big or small, we encourage you to support this work and this project. So please feel free to reach out to us, to some of our leaders, to our finance head, and any of our pastors that we would like to be glad to share further details about this project and how we can all take part. It is a big project, igsoon. It is, sa ako pag-ingon last Sunday, it's the largest or the biggest step that we have to take up in faith as we move forward the church. So kana igsoon, and we would hopefully that we can accomplish this together. Alright? So now lastly, Brother Noel gave some updates regarding with the project, and this is where we are right now. So we have already finally finished just this July, igsoon, the first phase of the construction. And now by September, we would be able to start the what do you call this? Like the sa to ang plumbing and all those works, sa electrician works, something like that. So all of those works is on, and hopefully by also during September we can now be able to start interior design for the church, and by October we would be able to finalize everything so and hopefully start our first Sunday service in our church building. Amen.